Zero tolerance is a strict and uncompromising approach to enforcing rules, laws, or policies, particularly in the context of disciplinary actions and criminal justice. The concept of zero tolerance emerged in the 1980s as a response to concerns over rising crime rates and a desire for increased safety and order in various social settings, including schools, workplaces, and public spaces. The core principle behind zero tolerance is that any violation, no matter how minor, will result in automatic and severe consequences. In the educational system, zero-tolerance policies were initially implemented to address issues like drug possession, violence, and weapons on school premises. Under these policies, students found to be in violation, regardless of intent or circumstance, were subjected to predetermined disciplinary measures, often including suspension, expulsion, or involvement of law enforcement. The goal was to create a deterrent effect, maintaining a safe learning environment by sending a clear message that certain behaviors would not be tolerated. In law enforcement and criminal justice, zero tolerance has been applied to address various offenses, such as drug possession, loitering, vandalism, and public disturbances. The approach seeks to swiftly punish offenders, aiming to deter future criminal behavior and maintain public order. Critics argue that zero-tolerance policies can disproportionately affect marginalized communities, leading to racial profiling and excessive punishment for minor offenses. While zero-tolerance policies have been praised for their ability to create a sense of security and predictability in some environments, they have also faced significant criticism. Critics argue that the inflexible nature of zero tolerance can lead to injustices, disproportionately affecting vulnerable populations, such as students with disabilities or those from disadvantaged backgrounds. Moreover, opponents claim that these policies often fail to address the root causes of misconduct, focusing solely on punitive measures rather than providing opportunities for rehabilitation and restorative justice. In recent years, there has been a growing acknowledgement of the limitations and negative consequences of zero-tolerance approaches. Many institutions and communities have begun to reassess and modify their policies, adopting more balanced and evidence-based strategies that consider individual circumstances and encourage positive behavioral interventions. This shift towards a more restorative approach focuses on resolving conflicts, repairing harm, and fostering a sense of accountability and understanding. In conclusion, zero tolerance is an approach to enforcement characterized by its strict and unyielding application of rules, laws, or policies. While initially seen as a means to promote safety and order, its rigidity has been subject to criticism for its potential to lead to disproportionate punishment and unintended negative consequences. As societal perspectives evolve, there is a growing recognition of the need for more nuanced and restorative approaches to address misconduct and promote a safer, more equitable environment.